Hi, I'm Sue. I'm a dental hygienist and a proud Burst ambassador. I'm going to demonstrate the Burst Oral Sonic toothbrush today, and I'm going to be using it on the whitening setting, the 33,000 times per minute. I have an ear of corn, I have some coffee grounds, and I am just going to be rubbing these coffee grounds into this ear of corn, and then I will be showing you how these little bristles get in between the kernels of corn and also get in between your teeth so well. We have the beautiful Burst toothbrush here with the bristles that are of different lengths, and they do a great job getting between the corn kernels. They also do a great job getting between your teeth. The soft nylon bristles are embedded with nanoparticles of charcoal, binchotan charcoal, and that actually absorbs impurities, stain, bacteria that's in plaque. So it really helps achieve a whiter smile. And you can also see the soft bristles are not damaging the corn either. So very gentle for your teeth as well. With Burst's subscription program, you'll get new brush heads in the mail every 3 months. With just one charge, this battery lasts up to 4 weeks. Pretty amazing. Hi, I think it's pretty impressive how the Sonic Burst toothbrush worked on getting the coffee grounds in between all these little nooks and crannies in this ear of corn. I hope you did too. If you go to www.burstoralcare.com and use my promo code A8BKJF, you can get up to 40% off on your purchase of a brush, and the best discount available on any of the other products, the whitening strips, and their wonderful whitening toothpaste. So again, if you have any questions, just leave them below or direct message me. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you.